So it's just a little edit to the video I've just put on. I upset some of you by putting other people's names, not your names, other people's names on. There's 5 or 6 people that have bought build packs I'm trying to get hold of, and I just figured that this would be the easiest way to get hold of you. You have been emailed and I'm trying to either give you a build pack or give you money. I don't know why people feel the need to jump down my throat. It's getting a little tiring now, but I suppose as you get more subscribers, that's what you're going to get. You're probably the same small-minded people that go on the Facebook group criticising, probably the same people that go on the other YouTube channels that I've read the comments in your little clique talking about me but don't want to say my name in case it's liable. I mean, just you need to get a life or move on, one or the other. Anyway, if you've bought a build pack and I owe you either a build pack or your money back, please get in touch because you have not been in touch. And if you're upset by my videos, then keep moving because there's plenty of stuff on YouTube for you to watch. So if that's you and you haven't received your build pack yet, can you please get in touch? You have been emailed previously a couple of times, some of you as well. Check your junk box from an email from Siobhan. And then I'll either send you your build pack as requested or return your money if that's what you want. But it's been a long time now for some of you guys and I'd just like to clear the backlog as well. So build packs, if you haven't bought a build pack, then why not? Build packs, there's 40 pages in each pack, 13 different sizes. You'll pick the size you want. Each pack then contains full instructions and a full material list for that specific size. £96, that includes VAT, and that £96 there will save you endless hours searching for materials lists on calculators, working out sizes and drawings and stuff like that. Like I say, on the Facebook group, there's loads of people that have bought them on there and they're building and the quality looks absolutely spot on. I mean, a lot of the builds look even like our builds, which is obviously testament to the build packs. If you go on the Facebook group, there's a lot of guys on there and women, and they will tell you how informative the packs are and how much the instructions are worth to them. Well, when I say worth, you know, it's worth the £96 because full instructions plus the YouTube videos as well. You can build your own garden room to the exact same standard that we build them daily. Okay, so if you're interested in the build pack, if you can jump on my website, there's a drop down menu and you can pick one of 13 different sizes and we'll get it sent across to you. I'll put a link on here as well at the bottom of the screen and there'll be one in the description of the video as well. So hopefully, if you buy a build pack, get yourself on the Facebook group as well. There's a great bunch of guys on there and women of course, and they're all building, they're all offering help. There's no abuse, no piss taking, nothing like that. It's just proper good quality information, advice and recommendations. Okay, so we've got a few jobs ongoing at the moment. What I'm going to do tomorrow, I've got a live sewer to connect to, so I'm going to show you how to connect to a live sewer as well, so that will feed a toilet that we're running on a particular job. What else have I got to do? I've got another rubber roof to get down as well, and we've got some engineered wood flooring, some oak skirting boards and some details like that to finish on another job as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. It's just a little video, as it says. I'll resume back to doing videos tomorrow. I've just been really busy at the moment, and obviously doing videos and trying to work at the same time takes time and a lot of effort. So thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.